Good morning everyone. Today I will tell you the story of the Mahabharata. Once upon a time there was a Pandavas and Kauravas. They were studying with Guru under the guidance of Guru Drona. Next day Guru Drona decided to check to archery skills. He called everyone and said, shoot up the eye of the bird. First, he called Yudhishthir. Yudhishthir came forward. Pranam Gurudev, what do you see there? I can see the bird. Oh, wait, you want more practice. Go back. First, he called Bhim. Bhim, come forward. Pranam Gurudev, what do you see there? I can see the bird and his face. Oh, wait, you want more practice. Go back. So, he called Duryodhana. Duryodhana, come forward. Ram Gurudev, what do you see there? I can see the bird and the clouds and tree. Oh, wait. You want more practice. Go back. Next, he called Arjun. Arjun, come forward. Pranam Gurudev, what do you see there? I can see the bird. I can see the eye of the bird. Only eye of the bird. Okay. Well done, Arjun. Shoot up the eye of the bird. Well done, Arjun. One day you will be great archer. Moral of the story is, if you want to achieve, be focused.